Madam Faith Mazibuko to come and introduce our Minister Mteto, Nati Mteto. Hayatu mama kosikazi, hayoken.
Tuma mama kos, tuma mama, tuma. Hangeni le pala, sasa parlamente man. Long live the spirits of Mama Dorothy Masuku. Long live. Artist, are you still here? Yes, please. Long live the spirits of Mama Dorothy Masuku. Long live. Long live the spirits of Mama Dorothy Masuku. Long live. I know family is long live, that's how you will heal. Long live the spirits of Mama Dorothy Masuku. Long live. Amandla. Watinta bafazi. Basapa. Thank you very much, Program Director. And let me acknowledge and respect the presence of our former President, Babu Umbegi, our Ambassador, Umam Mabuza, our Minister of Arts and Culture, Babu Nati Mteto, comrades and friends, our legends, our artists who are here, all protocols observed, all comrades that are here. As the Gauteng Provincial Government, City Tutuzegani family and friends, Zaka Mama Dorothy Masuku. Umama Dorothy agalalanga, kepasiyazi ukuthi she is now our ancestor. Sithukuye makalale ngoxolo, uyibekile induku ebandla. NgesiZulu futhi siyasisho sithi kohamba amaqhawe, kosala izibongo. Program Director, allow me just few seconds to address our artists and our legends. As artists and legends, when you said, Nina ANC government, you do not care about the plight of us. You want to see to it that you are recognized for the role you played in the liberation struggle. It was Minister Mteto who set up the unit of the legends. And he deployed resources in that unit. It's unfortunate because all these business plans that were submitted in making sure that you are also living legends. You don't just become legends, it stays Makaya. But it's you who are even in our schools. We're talking about arts in schools. We're talking about music. We're talking about this industry. We're talking about you empowering and ensuring that music lives on. They go utilize it, but over and above, when it is your plight, it is us. The old adage says, nothing for us without us. And that's what we did. We listened to you. So namhlanje, when people come and campaign about the plight of artists, it's unfortunate. You know the truth, and you must tell the truth. You know what has been the role of government in ensuring that she gets a decent funeral. Even where she's going to be buried is called a hero's acre. Baba says Zimbabwe, your report ekaya. Bachel gutu Mama Dorothy la elele khona, ulele go hero's acre. E recognize amaqhawe namaqhawekazi ala e South Africa. Asimthathanga sambeka nomaphi. Lapha eWest Park nawungena uzobona umehluko. That's the contribution we are making as the ANC government in ensuring that you as our legends, you as our veterans, we forever honor you and forever recognize the work that you are doing. Let us continue celebrating the life of Mama Dorothy Masuku, and let's ensure that her spirit lives on bese shilo omunye as challenge athi uchairperson wase Ward 23 athi as we build, whether it's art centers, as we build halls, amaholo ayashupha aqashwa nabantu bamasondo, as we build institutions that recognize the role that has been played. Already ubabu usiminya useyiqalile ngapha eSoweto. Nani ma legends masiyibone zivuka. Young people want places where they can rehearse, where they can play, where they can do all sorts of that exist here in the creative industries. Makube ningalindi nize ngene 6 feet underground. Bese siyamala sithi no, will dedicate a certain hall against so and so. Start it now. Leave this legacy that we know you to be of. Continue with the work of ensuring that artists are empowered. Teaching them ukuthi this industry ayifani nase-America la fanele ukhubuluze ukhuzuke ukuze ukwazi ukuphumelela. So continue teaching our young people. So Tina are prepared to continuously work with you in ensuring that her memory lives on, her contribution to the liberation struggle. The last time we were with her, when it was the Divas concert, Mama Abigail Uzokumbul, Estate at Joburg Theatre, it was when they were paying tribute to her. That's when we even got to know where's the Petit Suke Selinjani in South Africa. Umamu Abigail will tell you what will be put at the back, and a white woman will stand and sing. It's as if it was her who is singing, and yet it was them who were singing behind. That's how apartheid was terrible to our artists. But Chinage, so kubeka seven sana nani, opening uzoshua minister. Let me officially introduce Ubabu Minister Mchetwa to also come and pay his last respects to Mamu Dorothy Masuk, and ensuring that la ea khona uyosikhonzela kwabanye ko uyumasikela baningi man nangababala ngashonilanga, including even young artists that are now buried there. Babu Minister.